Hi, welcome to another episode of PSLE Science Made Simple. I'm Chen Hong and I'm a PSLE Science Specialist here at the Pique Lab. In this video, I'll be analysing a past year examination question on the topic of man's impact on the environment. I've also prepared this question for you to download for free by clicking a link in the description box below. So, let's get started.
Question 7. Deforestation is harmful to our environment. Which of the following is or are least likely caused by deforestation? So, let us think about what is deforestation. Deforestation is the removal of trees on a large scale, causing an area to have less trees or even no trees. So why do we humans want to remove so many trees? This is to allow us to have space to build buildings. Do you know that the house that you are staying in right now used to be a forest? In fact, a large part of Singapore that we see today used to be forests. But where did those forests go to? They are gone because we humans have chopped them down to clear the land. And clearing the land is important to us because we get to build buildings such as HDBs, shopping malls, hawker center, schools, hospitals, so on and so forth, so that we can have places to live in. So, this is the benefit of deforestation. But what if you are an animal that lives in the forest? Will you be happy? No, you will not be happy because initially you're living on a tree, but maybe after coming back from gathering food, all you see is a tree stump instead because humans have chopped the tree down. This means that the animals will not have homes to live in and hide from predators anymore, and they can be spotted by predators easily. And what will happen to animals that are easily spotted by predators? They will most likely be eaten by their predators and they will die. This means that if you are an animal, all your neighbors, such as the caterpillars, birds, squirrels, will start to die because they have nowhere to go to and they are easily spotted by predators. Trees might even be a source of food for some animals and they will lose their source of food when humans cut the trees down and they will go hungry and starve to death. If deforestation results in many animals dying, do you think there will be more or less variety of animals? There will be less variety of animals, which we see in statement A. So how about the next statement then? More oxygen in the air. How is oxygen related to plants? When we think of oxygen, we can think of respiration and photosynthesis. So, which one produces oxygen in the air? Photosynthesis produces oxygen in the air. And to have more oxygen in the air, there will be more trees that carry out photosynthesis to produce more oxygen in the air. When we think about deforestation, is there now more trees or less trees to carry out photosynthesis to release oxygen? Deforestation results in having less trees to release oxygen into the air. So, when statement B says more oxygen, is this correct? No. Let us put a cross. Moving on to C, soil erosion. Soil erosion is caused by the absence of roots that hold the soil firmly together, allowing the rainwater to wash the soil away. This happens because there's nothing blocking the rain, but by right there should be a tree blocking the rain. So what happened to the tree? The tree was cut down. And why was the tree cut down? It was cut down to build your houses, shopping malls, and hawker centers. So, is soil erosion caused by deforestation? Yes, it is. Let us put a tick here. Lastly, let us look at D, lower global temperature. This is about reducing the effects of global warming because global warming means an increase in global temperature. But now you want to lower the global temperature. What causes global warming? Global warming is caused by having carbon dioxide in the air that traps heat from the sun. Therefore, to reduce the effects of global warming would mean to have less carbon dioxide in the air. And in order to have less carbon dioxide in the air, we need to have more trees to take in carbon dioxide from the air for photosynthesis. So, when we look back at the word deforestation, would you link deforestation to having more trees or having less trees? We would link deforestation to having less trees, and with less trees, there will be more carbon dioxide in the air because there are less trees to take in the carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. This will result in an increase in the effect of global warming instead, and will increase in global temperature. So, statement D is not correct because deforestation will lead to an increase in global temperature. Let us now focus back on what the question is asking for. The question is asking for the statements that are least likely caused by deforestation. When you see the phrase least likely, you can simply think of it as the word not. So, we are looking for statements that are not caused by deforestation. We are looking out for statements with the cross, and we see that only statements B and D are crossed out, giving us our correct option to be number 2.
Thank you for watching, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you found this video useful, do give us a thumbs up. If you would like to check out more videos by us, do click on the links on the right hand side. Last but not least, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye!